Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an Among Us Spider-Man No Way Home skin. So I hope you get to follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Among Us Spider-Man No Way Home, let's begin with the face. So I'm going to start right here with the little shield, and we're going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come out. We're going to curve it around. Next, we're going to bring this line down and then connect. Now, starting up here, let's draw a line that's going to curve up. We're going to bring it down and then in a little bit. And over here, we'll do the same thing. We're just going to come down and bring it in just a bit. We want to kind of keep these pretty even, about the same size. Next, I'm going to bring a line over, and then we're going to come up. Next, we're going to make a little line that comes across. Then we'll draw a line that goes down, over, and then we'll connect it to here. Now we want to make the pack. So I'm going to kind of line it up right here at about the middle of the face shield. We'll draw a line that's going to go out. We're going to bring it down and then come over like this. So now we have our basic Among Us character, but we want to turn him into a Spider-Man No Way Home skin. So I'm going to begin right here, and we're going to draw a line that's going to come up, and then we're going to curve it up like this to a point. Then I'm going to bring this down and right to about here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. I'll make a line that goes down and then over. And another line that's going to go up. And then I'm just going to bring this down here. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go over on each side. Next, you want to come up at an angle and then bring it over. So we're going to come up at an angle and then bring it over. Over here, we're going to go over on each side. Then we're going to come down at an angle and over. We're going to go down at an angle and then over. Right in the middle, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out of each side. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes up and over on here, and then down and over. Same thing here, we're going to go up and over, and then we're going to go down and over. Then inside of here, I'm going to make another line that goes over. We're going to go down, down again, and then back over. And we'll make a little line that connects it. Same thing here, we're going to go over, down at an angle, and then back with a little line. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that comes up and one here. I'm going to make a line that comes over here. We'll put one here, one right here, one here, and then one more over here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down. One here, you can see I kind of curve it a little bit. We'll do the same thing here, and we're just going to kind of bring this all the way across as we connect. We'll go right to there. Draw one up here too. Right across the pack here, I'm going to draw 1, 2, and 3 lines. And I'm going to connect each one with like a curved line. Kind of make it look like that spider web style. Now we want to make the little kind of legs coming out of here. So I'm going to start here by making a line that's going to come up. We're going to come down. Make it come to a point and up. Then we're going to bring it back down here. Let's do that over here too. We're going to come up and down. Bring it to a point, and we're going to come up and then back here. We're going to make this line go over and down. Then we'll come up and bring it back. Then the same thing here. We're going to go over, down, bring it to a point, come up, and then back. Now, starting here, I'm going to add a curve right at where there's that little angle, or the little corner. Then we'll add a second little curve right inside each one. Then we'll make a little rectangle shape on each leg. And I'm going to put a black dot on each one as well. And there you go, there is your drawing of an Among Us Spider-Man No Way Home skin. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.